How to check muted accounts on Instagram. Ever wondered which accounts you've muted on Instagram? Don't worry, in this quick and easy guide, I'll walk you through the exact steps to check your muted accounts so you can easily manage your feed and stories the way you like. Let's get started. First, open your Instagram app on your phone and make sure you're logged in. Tap on your profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, tap the menu/settings, which is at the top right corner. In the Settings menu, scroll down to find the section called What You See. Here, tap on Muted Accounts. That's it. You'll now see all the accounts you've muted. And from here, you can easily unmute or manage them as you prefer. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share to support our growth.